KV Thiruvannamalai welcomes to your parents. This year we have got 466 applications for the class 1 admission, which is being shown on the display board. So before starting the procedure, I want to show the lottery demo. RT lottery demo, I want to show that. So before lottery we will have one list having all the students' name and their admission code. We will have. This is called pre-lottery list. We can see that there is a button, conduct lottery. I will press that button, then after that it will conduct the lottery and randomly list will be reshuffled by the computer. Before conducting the lottery, I will give the permission that parents are viewing this procedure. Okay. Now lottery has been done. It is quite visible that after lottery, application submission code is there, but randomly serial number has been fetched and lottery number is being generated in the last column. That lottery number is the sequence number of the admission under RTE category. After doing this lottery, demo lottery, I can generate the list by using export as PDF. Export as PDF. When I press this button, one PDF will be generated which will have the list of selected numbers in a priority order. In a priority order. So in this way we can do lottery for all other cases. Similarly, we can do demo for remaining lottery like single girl child. Then we will go for SC, ST, OBC category. Then we will go for other service categories, category 1, category 2, 3, 4 and 5 finally. So dear parents, that is the demo procedure which I have shown. Now I will go for live lottery for the parents. So you can see the button on the left hand side of the panel. There is a button of lottery. I am pressing that button. Different lottery categories already has been mentioned, like RTE lottery, differently abled lottery under SC, ST and OBC categories. Further then we have OBC creamy layer categories, then category 1, category 2, SC lottery, ST lottery, OBC, NCL lottery, then service category 3, 4 and finally 5 with the SGC lottery at the last. So that is the sequence for performing the lottery of class 1 admission. Before that, I want to show the list of applications which we have received. This is the list of applications. All the names are there, 466 names are there. At present, no lottery has been done, no admission has been granted, so everywhere NA has been mentioned there. So that is the list to show the candidate list for class 1 admission. Okay, so With the permission. So I'm going to start lottery procedure one by one because 2 to 3 p.m. slot has been given to KB Tiruvannamalai. First, I will do the lottery for RTE category. Here, total 20 seats are reserved for RTE category because school is having 2 sections now, this year onwards. Name of the students with their application code is being shown on the screen. Here I will press the conduct RTE lottery. I want to remind parents that we cannot undo the lottery procedure once I done this procedure. Before that, I can generate the lottery, pre-lottery list for your satisfaction. This pre-lottery list will have names of all the candidates. This is the pre-lottery list. So total 312 applications we have received this year for admission under RTE category. So this is pre-lottery list. Now I will do the lottery under RTE by pressing the red button. I have to confirm whether this should go or not. So I am confirming it is okay. Lottery has been done, dear parents, and random sequence has been generated as you can see on the screen. It is quite visible that serial number has been reshuffled. There is no proper sequence, but lottery number has been given in the third column. Lottery number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So this is the lottery list under RTE category. Now I will generate the post lottery list, a PDF file which can be seen on the screen, dear parents. Here we can see lottery number oblique wait list number. First 20 will come under main list. After 20 we will have waiting list number under RTE. So first 20, after that we will have waiting list number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 likewise. So this is the lottery list under RTE. So RTE lottery has been conducted. Now I will move towards next one, differently abled SC lottery. This year no application we have received under this category, so no lottery for SC category disabled case. Now I will move towards ST category disabled. No admission, no applications we have received under this category also. Differently abled OBC NCL category. No application we have received under OBC NCL. Then I will move towards OBC general category under differently abled. In this case we have 2 applications received. So we will conduct lottery for, before that I can generate pre-lottery list. Then I will conduct the lottery for differently abled general and OBC creamy layer category. Confirmation, okay. Now list has been generated. This is the post lottery list under OBC creamy layer and general for differently abled. Download the lottery result. This is the list. Only 2 applications were there, so we have only 2 under this category. Now I am moving towards service category 1 lottery. In service category 1, total 48 applications we have received. Now I will do the here service category mentioned as well as number of transfers has been mentioned here in the table. I will conduct the lottery. Confirmation. Okay. So service category 1 lottery has been done. This is the list of candidates where service category mentioned, number of transfers has been mentioned, and lottery number has been mentioned clearly. I will download the list. This is service category 1 lottery list. Now service category 2 lottery list. This is service category 2, total 17 applications we have received this year. I will go for conduct lottery. Confirmation message is there. So service category 2 lottery list has been generated. Since after category 1, then only we will go for category 2. So here from the first onwards, total it is being mentioned as waiting list 1, 2, 3. It means only after completing category 1, we will go for category 2. So this is the category 2 lottery list, service category 2 lottery list. After category 1 and 2, I will go for SC category lottery. This is the list of candidates. Total 81 applications we have received under SC category. I will go for conduct lottery. Confirmation. So this is SC category list has been generated. Waiting list is being shown that we will go for this list if any shortfall appears in future after giving admission to previously generated list. So that's why it is waiting list 1, 2, 3 likewise has been shown here. SC lottery list. This is SC category lottery list as shown on the screen. Now I will go for ST category lottery. Total 13 applications we received this year for ST category admissions. Conduct the lottery. Confirmation. Again, same case as applicable with SC, same case is with ST category waiting list 1, 2, 3 onwards has been shown here. I will download the ST lottery result. This is ST category lottery result. Total 13 candidates are there. Then OBC non-creamy layer category lottery. Total 22 applications, total 254 applications we have received. but 22 seats are being reserved for has been reserved for OBC non-creamy layer category. So this is the list under OBC non-creamy layer. Now I will conduct the lottery. Confirmation. This is OBC lottery list. Waiting is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 line wise. If any shortfall under OBC category, then we will go to provide admission from this list only. Then now I will move towards service category 3 lottery. Total 72 applications we have received. I will conduct the lottery. Confirmation. So this is post lottery result under category 3. Download lottery result. This is category 3 lottery result. Now category 4 lottery. Total 37 applications we received. Conduct lottery. Confirmation. Now this is post lottery result for category 4. This is the list for category 4 lottery result. All are under waiting category. Only you will go if any seat still vacant till this category. Now category 5 lottery. Total 292 applications under this category. Conduct lottery. Confirmation. Okay. Lottery result. This is category 5 result. All are under waiting category only. Then finally we will move towards single girl child lottery. Total 46 applications we have received, and we have 4 seats under single girl child category. I will conduct the lottery. Confirmation. So this is the lottery list for single girl child. And this is lottery result, single girl child category lottery result. Total first 4 are main list and remaining will come under waiting list in SDC category. In this way we have done all lottery as mentioned in the online admission portal of KVS. Single girl child category 5, category 4, category 3, with OBC lottery, then ST lottery, then SC lottery, then category 2, category 1, then differently abled, general, differently abled, pre-shuffle general, okay. Then RT lottery,